Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Billie English, where you learn about pronunciation in English. Let's look at this beautiful scenery, the Pacific Ocean. It looks stunning. But what is also amazing is that the letter C in Pacific Ocean has three different pronunciations. The first C is a S sound. S in the second syllable of Pacific. The second C is a K sound in the final syllable of the same word, Pacific. And lastly, the third C is a Sh sound in ocean. One letter, three sounds. First, let's talk about the soft C number 1. It sounds like S as in city. We usually find the soft C when the letter C is followed by E, I, or Y. Here are some common examples. Listen and repeat them after me. Center, city, cycle, ice, pencil, recent, decision, receive. Now, cycle had two C's and only the first one is a soft C. Let's practice some sentences. Listen and repeat them after me. There's a celebration in the city center. There is ice on the cycle lane. Great. Now let's look at the second soft C. This one sounds like sh, as in social. We only have a few words in English where the letter C makes this sound. It is much less common than the regular soft C pronunciation of S. But there are some examples. Listen and repeat. Ocean, social, special, official, crucial, artificial, beneficial, precious, conscious. This pronunciation usually only happens before the spelling IA or IO, as in special, crucial, precious. But remember, it's far less frequent than the standard soft C S sound. Let's practice these words in some sentences. It's crucial to be conscious of the environment. The official meeting was beneficial for the social group. She wore her precious necklace to the special event. Good job, everybody. Let's talk about the hard C next. The hard C sounds like K, as in can. We usually find the hard C when the letter C is followed by A, O, U, or a consonant. Here are some common examples with a hard K sound for the letter C. First, at the beginning of the word. Listen and repeat them after me. Cat, come, clear. Many words ending in the letters C or CK also have a K sound. In words borrowed from Greek, we also say the K sound for C. The spelling is usually CH in those words. Listen to these examples and repeat them after me. Chaos, character, chorus, choir. Can you hear the K sound? Excellent. Let's practice these in some sentences. The cat came quickly to class. It's clear that the panic created chaos. The chorus sang with character. Now, try a tongue twister. Listen and repeat. Cecil's circus cat circled the citrus cake. And again, faster. Cecil's circus cat circled the citrus cake. Great job, everyone. Now, English always has exceptions, right? Sometimes the letter C doesn't follow the rules. Here is an example. The word Celtic or Celtic can be pronounced with K or S. Celtic, Celtic. To summarize, the letter C is like a chameleon. It changes its sound depending on the letter that comes next. Remember, the main rules are: if C is followed by E, I, or Y, it becomes S, a soft C. If C is followed by A, O, U, or a consonant, it becomes a K sound, a hard C. If you are unsure about the pronunciation of a new word, you can always listen to it in a good online dictionary. For example, the Cambridge Online Dictionary. There you will find the phonemic transcript and a little button where you can listen to the pronunciation. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on English pronunciation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.